Hello everybody. So over here we are going to do an interesting question on the basis of polynomials and algebraic identities. So let's start with it. So suppose you have been given with this quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, and we have to find the value of x raised to the power 10 plus 1 divided by x raised to the power 5. So if you will try to find the value of this expression by solving this quadratic equation and finding the value of x, it will become very complex. You might get the answer, but it will waste your time. So let's see how we can do this actually. So first thing is, can I write over here x square plus 1 is equal to 4x? Then we can divide on both the sides by x just to simplify. And obviously we are assuming that x is not equal to 0 and will not come out to be equal to 0. So we can divide by x on both the sides of this equation. And if we separate it out over here, you'll get x square upon x plus 1 upon x, that is equal to 4 because this will be cancelled out. So you'll get x plus 1 by x to be equal to 4. So this is the first thing which we need to understand. Now you see we have to find the value of this expression. Let us separate it out. X raised to the power 10 upon x raised to the power 5 plus 1 by x raised to the power 5. So this is nothing but x raised to the power 5 plus 1 by x raised to the power 5. It means we have to find the value of this expression if x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. So basically we will use some identities over here. You see that what is x square plus 1 by x square, guys? Can it be written like this? X plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, because you see a square plus b square is a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So it is in this form only. Now x plus 1 by x is 4. So I can say this is 4 square minus 2. So 16 minus 2 is 14. So we have got x square plus 1 by x square to be equal to 14. Now one more thing is required. Can we find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? That will be equal to x plus 1 by x the whole cube minus 3 into x into 1 by x multiplied by x plus 1 by x. So you see this will be cancelled out. Why we are able to do it? Because you see a cube plus b cube is a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, grade 9 identity if you are a CBSE student. Now over here x plus 1 by x is already 4. So that is 4 cube minus 3 into this is 4. So this is nothing but 64 minus 4 3s are 12. So that will come out to be equal to 52. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is 52 and x square plus 1 by x square is 14. And we have to find the value of the expression x raised to the power 5 plus 1 by x raised to the power 5. So let's see how we can do it. So suppose we can multiply x square plus 1 by x square and x cube plus 1 by x cube. What will be that, guys? You see x square plus 1 by x square, we got 14 and this is 52. So that will be basically 14 into 52. Whatever it is, you can do calculation. I'm just explaining the logic behind that. So that is 52. Now if I open up the bracket, you see this into this is x raised to the power 5. This into this is 1 by x. Then this into this is x. Then this into this is 1 by x raised to the power 5. And that is equal to 14 into 52. So you see from here, this thing we already know. X plus 1 by x in this question was 4 over here. So you see we can put x plus 1 by x to be equal to 4. So we'll get x raised to the power 5 plus 1 by x raised to the power 5 plus 4 to be equal to 14 into 52. So you see this will be subtracted from the other hand side of the equation. So we'll get x raised to the power 5 plus 1 by x raised to the power 5, that is equal to 14 into 52 minus 4. Obviously, you can do calculation from here. I was just explaining the method. So this is one of the important questions if you talk from Olympiad or competitive point of view, if you are a grade 9 or 10 student. So that's all it was needed to explain and understand in this question. I am Misbah, your maths educator. Don't forget to subscribe to the Infinity Learn Class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.